Hello everyone, I am J.Gnanaselvin, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, working in K.S.Rangasamy College of Arts and Science, Tiruchengode. Today, we will discuss about the topic food processing and quality control. So, what is food? Food is any substance or product that can be eaten by the humans or animals. So, food quality. Food quality requires the quality of the food such as external and internal. External quality such as size, shape and color, and it is also related to the internal like physical, chemical and biological characteristics. Next, quality control. Quality control is QC. It is a reactive process that identify and rectify the quality of the products. So, it can be achieved by identifying and eliminating the sources of quality problems that ensure the customer's requirement. Next, importance objective of food quality control. It is then to establish the desired quality standards that are acceptable by the customers. Then to discover flaws, that means faults in the food or variation in the raw materials from the manufacturing of in order to take the smooth and uninterrupted productions. Then to evaluate the methods and process such as the further improvements in the food functioning. Then to study and determine the extreme of quality of food in the deviation in a product during the manufacturing process. Then to analyze the detailed cause of responsible for such deviations. In the previous slide we have seen that the quality of the food, that means the deviation that can causes the responsible. Then to undertake the steps which are helpful in achieving the desired quality of the product. It means the one of the product that can be designed by the undertake the steps. Next, preventing the defects that can rather detecting the defects. And then to ensure the economic products of production of products uniform acceptable by the customers. Next, factors influencing food industry. So, the first one is incidents relating to food safety, then environmental concerns, and the third step changes in government regulatory, and the fourth step technologically changes, and the fifth GM foods, and sixth irradiated foods, seventh organic foods, and eighth is economic factors, and ninth is issue related to international trade, and the 10 is food security concern related to bioterrorism. So, these are the 10 types of foods in factors influencing in food industry. So, the next we are going to see about the food quality characteristics. So, first we have to identify a food in relation to a standard, then declared or claimed amount of one or more stated compound. Third one is a appearance, it is a size, shape and color. Then the fourth one is a flavor, it requires a taste and packaging. Fifth one aroma, and then texture, viscosity and shelf life stability and fitness for human food, and adulteration and packaging and labeling. So, these are the characteristics of food quality. So, in the next slide we have to discuss about the consumer purchase behavior. So, first one, it is a flow chart of consumer perception that can go into the production and then acceptance and product quality and then finally product properties. So, in this slide we discuss about the quality dimension in the production of distribution. So, first one consumer, it is a product oriented. In the consumer it is a product oriented relates to marketing, that is also a consumer oriented. So, these two slides, these two are the main importance of the food quality and oriented. Then design, price quality oriented. So, the design of the food packaging is the more important for the quality and oriented. Then production, it is a reproduction or byproduct oriented. Then it comes to the distribution. Distribution is nothing but food will go into the retailers and wholesalers that distribute the service oriented. So, the next slide discuss about the factors of innovation. Factors of innovation such as production of systematic characteristics and food products are perishable. Then production and harvest of plant food is a seasonal. Then awareness among the customers of the relationship between diet and health. It is the most important in the food quality. And then a small scale production, then more number of retail outlets, and then food product of a good quality at a reasonable price. So, we must give at a quality is high, but it is a price is a low. So, it will be move easily and attract the customers. So, next the actors in the chain and quality perception. So, first one is breeder, which is a viability seed and yield. Next one grower, productivity, uniformity and disease resistance. Next one is auction, uniformity, reliable supply and constant quality. Next distribution, it is a availability and damage sensitivity. Next retailer, good shelf life and diversity and appearance and low waste. Next consumer, consumer is the humans that can be flavors like tasty, healthy, sustainable, convenience and constant quality. So, in this slide the breeder to consumer is the quality chain of food perception. So, the next slide we have to discuss about the plant production systems. It is a cycle change in the plant production systems. So, in the down to the primary production system, it is nothing but the food will be 5 to 12 years, and then coming up to the processing technology, it is up to 2 to 4 years, and then coming right left side market and consumer, it will leads to the 0.5 to 3 years of the age. Next one, quality modeling. Quality modeling leads to the customer demands, that is product properties, packaging, image, environmental, health. So, product properties, one of the product is a good and packaging image will be a attractive. Next one, product properties such as raw materials and processing conditions, time chain environment. So, in this slide raw materials and the processing condition of the time that can change the environment. So, the next raw material properties, cultivator properties and agronomical conditions, storage condition, processing condition. So, cultivator is that the food breeder such as breeder that leads to the consumers, that is processing conditions. So, in this next slide we search as harvest research priorities. So, the first one is genetic manipulation. It is for a long life and disease and environmental stress which are resistant cultivators. And the second one is modeling cultivating conditions for high quality and long life. Third one is environmental friendly and pest control. Fourth one is post harvest treatments like UV, heat, irradiations for storage ability. And the fifth one is monitoring refrigerating system. And the sixth one is optimum storage condition as a food for tropical fruits and ornamental and fresh package like processed produced. And then possibilities of MAP, and then minimum impact and vibration norms for brushing during sorting and packaging. So, then next is cost and return of investment of post harvest technologies and fundamental research on ripening, respiration, ethane effects, chilling and fermentation and superficial browning. Thank you.